HEB Haul. That's right. HEB is the most awesome grocery store, and it's in Texas. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna turn around. I'm gonna show you our HEB haul. There's no HEB within 2 hours of here, and we were 6 hours away over in Midland, and they've got the super HEBs. Gotta love a super HEB. All right, so I'm gonna turn you around. I'm gonna show you these items that we got. The items sitting here are items that are going out to my subscribers. We already got it all figured out. It's not a giveaway or anything. I know who's getting what, but I'm not gonna tell you on here because it's gonna be a surprise. That's right. But you're gonna love these items we're sending out to you. We can go check them out. A lot of these items you can only get at HEB. That's right. We can go see them items. If you enjoy cooking, outdoor cooking, and a few other things, some mail calls, you know, and all this kind of stuff, subscribe to Papa Texas. That's right. Leave me a comment. Do any of that kind of stuff. Let's get over here. Let's get on to that. Yeah, I'm in Texas, by the way. Check that out. That is an awesome HEB haul. Yes, it is. Yeah. First, I want to say, I am going to say a name. Ronnie over at Southern Food Junkie. I was supposed to send you some Cirrus Bean Co. beans. I don't know if you've tried these or not. Let me know, and I'm going to list these three right here. If you have not received them or used them, we'll put it used them. If you're not getting these yourself, let me know, and these will come to you. This right here is the Dr. Pepper beans. Dr. Pepper beans. That's awesome. This one right here is the jalapeno and bacon. And that is awesome. This one right here, I really don't care for this one, but you know, it is what it is. It's mustard barbecue beans, all right? On Cirrus Bean Co., the best one I like is, gosh, what's the name of it? Blackened, it's got black pepper. Black pepper beans. It's the best one I think of. These are awesome. Check that out. Borracho beans with Shiner Bock. Shiner Bock is beer that's made in Texas, and it's in there. Oh, that would be awesome. All right, then we got some salsa, you know, Gallo Mexican restaurant tequila, jalapeno. Yeah. And then we're going to go over this way a little bit. Of course, we picked up Flying Saucy. Flying Saucy's going out to people because you cook. Oh, here's the main thing we do. We just did it this weekend. You put some Gator Shake, Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake on some wings, and you offset cook them. You pull them over, and you put this on the end of your grill cook, and they are freaking awesome. This right here, the Flying Saucy, is Parmesan garlic. All right, this one here is another Flying Saucy, and this one's mango habanero. Okay, you know, Booger doesn't like me to tell her when I send her something what it is. She likes to be surprised, but Booger, it's coming to you. A couple of these others are too, Booger. You just don't know which ones. I'll keep quiet. This one here, the Flying Saucy. This one's the hot. And I can get this here. This is in Texas and Louisiana. But I ended up picking up a bottle. Garlic Butter Soft by Louisiana Fish Fry Products. I got some videos out on this, or one with cooking shrimp, I believe. It's awesome. I wanna put this. I'm gonna do a cook with this. It'll probably be indoors. It'll probably be Gigi making it with pasta. Yeah. Or maybe we just make shrimp with this and put it in the pasta. That's a good idea, ain't it? All right, let's go with the next one. The sauce. Les Sauce Company, roasted poblano and garlic. I mean, whoever's going to get all these is going to do some awesome cooks. and stuff that a lot of this you cannot get unless you're here in Texas. This one here, see it? See it? Cajeta Quemada caramel spread. That sounded real interesting. Mi tienda. Yeah, that sounded real good. Oh, check this out. Better than good. Original bacon jam. One of these bottles is mine, actually, and one's going out. But bacon jam, Papa's gonna freaking make a cooking video for YouTube, and you'll get to see it if you subscribe to Papa Texas and turn the notifications on. Yeah, and hit that bell. We're gonna be cooking this bacon jam, and at the end of a cook, I'm gonna smear it on top of a burger patty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I guess I should move y'all over where it is. This stuff looks freaking awesome. I got 2 of those. We got 2 more items. Red hot jalapeno jelly. My dad loves red hot jalapeno jelly. Yes, he does. Last but not least, Whataburger spicy ketchup. Yeah, it's pretty good. Papa can handle it. Papa don't do hot, hot, hot. That's what we have for you today. And that might have been like my first store haul ever. I don't know. I don't remember if I did. It was a long time ago. That's what you got from Papa Texas. Come back, subscribe, hit that bell. Check out Papa Texas on YouTube. Check out the playlist Papa's Kitchen for more cooking videos. I guess I need to make a playlist that says store hauls. Are we gonna start doing store hauls? I don't know, but I will. I'll add that. Papa's got a lot of playlists down there. You should go and on my main channel, click on playlists and look at all the different playlists. You might find some more entertaining videos to watch. What else you gotta do? Yeah. Subscribe, keep up with us. Cooking on Sunday. Never know what you can get on Wednesday. This should be a Wednesday one. Yeah. All right, we will see y'all. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay 6 feet apart. Wear a mask when you go out. Yeah. We were traveling, man. Every time we stopped, it was mask on. All the kids, the grandkids and everything, we had to put masks on and everything and walk into places and come out and put washing our hands and all this stuff, trying to stay safe. Papa's healing, by the way. We will see y'all. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya.